Put bay leaves in the washing machine. This trick will save you a ton of stress. Bay leaves are a popular ingredient in the kitchen, but they also have uses in laundry. They can effectively help remove stains. When you throw clothes of different colors into the washing machine, some may dye. Do you then have to throw away the dyed clothes? Absolutely not. A simple trick with bay leaves will save your clothes. All you need is a few bay leaves. Place them in a laundry washing bag and throw them into the washing machine with your stained clothes. Choose any program and turn on the washing machine. The stain problem should disappear. If the stains are intense, prepare a decoction of bay leaves. Boil water with a handful of bay leaves. After boiling, set aside to cool. Soak the stained clothes in the decoction for 3 hours. Then squeeze the clothes and wash them in a washing machine with detergent. Take the clothes out and enjoy their cleanliness.